I just got back to my Sony because the thing is, nothing beats a Sony. I just hate the audio, so I'm afraid I'm gonna need to improvise on a live mic or something in the future. But yeah, the thing is, video with this camera is really awesome, and the photos are awesome, and yeah, it's awesome. It's light and small, so I might as well stick on this camera. Yeah, I think so. Okay, in the car right now, low light to the max. It still looks good. That's why I like this camera here. Video is so solid. Low light's good. And this is even a 1-inch sensor. I'm gonna burp. Yeah, a 1-inch sensor, which is awesome. So if you have an RX 100, it's good. If only this camera has good mic input or like anything that we can put good audio on it. I really love this. Also, if it has touch screen, that would add up to it. But yeah, touch screen, I don't really need it, but it's good if it has it. Only thing is, if the audio is really good, that's good. Oh, one more thing. If this is wider than 24mm, it's gonna do landscape, and this will be my only camera for travel and everything else. It's gonna be the best camera for me, even if it's small. Because I'm addicted to big cameras. The thing is, my 1DX is really heavy and it's weighing me down. I'm gonna go back to the 5D Mark III or 5D Mark IV. If I sell it, I might go back, or USR, I don't know. But for now, the low light is really attracting me. I'm a really low light person. Well, low light person. What? Yeah, and the video is like awesome with this camera. It's solid. I hate to say it, I'm a Canon guy, but I'm giving in to Sony. Sorry, mate. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Wider lens, good audio, we're good. Okay, hi there guys, I just arrived home, and yeah, I just want to talk about something today, which is a vlogging camera, just like this. So yeah, we went to ULURU, and I'll discuss to you my setup. It's one of the good setups for vlogging, but problem is, yeah, last day I unfortunately formatted my footage. It was my fault though. But anyway, look like this. So it's not that heavy. It's awesome. So it's comprises of a camera body, which is this, and then this one's a wide lens. So like that way, when you vlog, you can take everything with you. So the microphone is not this, because this is too big. Although I like this microphone because it gives you good audio. I got this small microphone, which is the Rode Video Micro, and I change the bottom that way when I'm vlogging, like for example this way, like when I'm vlogging and I need to film something but I want to talk to the camera, I just twist this thing around, and there you go. You can talk to the camera right straight up. You're not going to get audio from behind. You're going to get good audio while you're talking and showing people what you're talking about. And then you can twist it around in front when you're talking in front of the camera, or if you want to film somebody there in front of you. Yeah, this is the microphone I have. It's so light, has a wind muff or dead kitten, they call it. It's gonna dampen out the wind, because if there's a lot of wind in front of you, it's gonna say and all those. So this is it. This is the camera body. This is the tripod. I'm gonna discuss about the camera body first. This is the camera body. I have a wide lens on it. Check it out. And the good thing about having a camera like this is that it has a flip screen like that, so you can see yourself while you're vlogging, and you can touch the screen if you need to focus on yourself. Like, yeah, touch the screen, or you can change the settings using the touch screen. So you'd know that you're framed, you're in the middle of the shot, your exposure is good, and your smile is perfect. But the problem with this setup is that you tend to look at this side here. So if you're vlogging and then you look here, so your eyes is gonna be like, but you get used to it. So this is it. This is the cage. It protects the camera from any bumps and everything. And it has a built-in mount here. You can mount anything here. You can mount a lot of stuff around it. But the good thing is it can protect the camera if you put it on your side, put it behind, because I'm gonna remove the microphone. taking too long. So there's a wrap around the camera. You can protect it. Okay, I'm using also a wide lens, the 10-18. Comes with an adapter. Here it is. So when you put it through the camera, it gives you a wider perspective. So this is perfect for travel. Like when you want to take a photo of where you're at, you can take a photo of it. When you're vlogging, you don't have to put your camera further from your face because it's wide. You can take the whole scene, everything else. And yeah, also if you want to access the battery and the memory card, you can access it right away. So it's easier. You can just get the battery up here. You don't have to remove the tripod. Some tripod mounts will obstruct the battery underneath. So yeah, you won't be able to use, you need to remove everything before changing the battery, just like my RX 100, which is filming now. Also, this is my tripod. Been with me for quite a while. It's the Sirui, I don't know, check out the name. So that's the name of the tripod. It's a tabletop tripod. The good thing about it is you can hold it. You can do it for vlogging. And it's an Arca clamp, which works well with this Arca from the cage. Just mount it through. That's good. You can mount it on the side. Oh no, not on this one. But yeah, that's it. And yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty strong. It's made of metal. And look at, it has legs on it. So it's a tripod. You can let it stand. Yeah, and you can adjust the height. You can go higher. Yeah, and surprisingly, this tripod did handle 5D Mark III. And I tried it on my 1DX. It did handle, but yeah, you can't do weird angles around it. But yeah, it's a pretty good tripod. So you can fold the legs down and use it as your handle for vlogging. Yeah, for a further view, if you want to like have the GoPro look, it's very far from you. But yeah, it's a pretty nice portable tripod. And when you keep it, it's too small. It can fit on your bag. There you go. It's coming blurry. Let's just focus it. Focus, camera, focus. I'm trying hard to focus, camera. Anyway, yeah, this is the setup. And yeah, nice. Show it to you again. Taking a lot of time to assemble it. So this is it. And this camera here could have, I don't have a small lens. Nah, never mind, I'll show you. So yeah, this is the setup that I carried around Uluru for around 3 days, 2.5, 3.5. I stopped counting. Anyway, yeah, this is it. So just do it that way. Turn it on. Record buttons on top. Yep. And it has dual pixel autofocus, which is awesome. Just that it's a bit heavy compared to the RX 100, but it's pretty light compared to an 80D 5D Mark III or even the 1DX Mark II. Of course, the 1DX Mark II. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm heading to bed. Gonna go to sleep. Good night. Good night. We get down to the beat, y'all. Check, test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I was using a lot of mic to record what I said earlier. Apparently, I plugged it on the headphone jack instead of the microphone jack. So my audio is screwed. What a fail. What a fail.
Like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing